What was the minimum mark required to get admission in Karnataka state for MBBS student through All India quota as well as through state quota? For different categories through All India quota and in state categories students, what was the minimum mark required in 2020 to get admission in MBBS in government college, one of the government college in Karnataka state? What will be the expected cutoff score for 2021 for different categories for the students who belongs to Karnataka, and for those also who do not belongs to Karnataka, they are from outside Karnataka states? What will be the minimum cutoff marks and minimum mark required to get admission in government MBBS college in Karnataka through state and through All India quota? We will discuss each and everything in this very short video. You please stay tuned with Medica Wing, as well as do download our app, which is now available in Google Play Store, if you want to be updated with latest information about NEET 2021 from the form filling till the last counseling process of state and All India quota. If you are visiting first time our channel and you have not yet subscribed this channel, do subscribe if you like our content, as well as do share this content with your friends to be updated about NEET 2021 in future. So students, talking about Karnataka state, very first we will discuss about the All India quota cutoff for 2020 and the expected for 2021, and after that we will discuss about the state quota for Karnataka Hyderabad region as well as for the general merit, means the Karnataka region, right, for all the government colleges which got allotted for different categories in 2020, right. So talking about All India quota, here is the detail of All India quota. Here is the rank column, right. This is the All India rank, and here is the allotted quota. This is the institute name, and this is the course, and here is the allotted category. Candidate category is mentioned over here, and the NEET marks is mentioned in the last column. We can easily see here, right. So this was the last allotted marks and the last allotment rank of 2020 for different category through All India quota in different colleges, right. Here the last allotment college name is mentioned as per the category and as per the rank as well as the marks the student got in 2020 NEET examination, right, after first and second round of All India Counseling 2020, correct. So the highest marks that was for EWS category, and the last mark required for EWS in 2020 for government college through All India quota, it was 617, and the college allotted was ESIC Medical College, which is in Gulbarga, Karnataka, and for OBC it was 615, for general again it was 615. For SC candidate, the allotment college was Koppal Institute of Medical Science, and the marks they got was 508. For ST it was 495. The college was Kodagu Institute of Medical Science, Kodagu, and for EWS PWD it was 233. For general PWD it was 225. Allotment was done in ESI MC PGI MSR Bangalore and Gulbarga Institute of Medical Science, Gulbarga. For OBC PWD it was 198, and for SC PWD it was 140 marks, and the allotted college was Kodagu Institute of Medical Science, which is in Kodagu, for both the categories SC PWD and OBC PWD, right. These are the last allotted college, and these were the last allotted marks of different categories student who got allotment in 2020 after second round of All India quota counseling. Now if you are preparing for NEET 2021 and you think that you should go in Karnataka state any one of the college and you want to get admission there through All India quota, you do not belongs to Karnataka, you belongs to any other state, or you also belong to Karnataka but you want to go through All India quota, then the minimum marks required as per category is mentioned here. If you score this much and if you score better than this, no doubt that you will be getting a seat in one of the medical college in Karnataka. The expected college where you can get admission on these marks are mentioned here, the same, right, because in 2020 the highest marks scored by a candidate in NEET was 720, means the toppers score was 720, that's why cutoff was very high. In 2021, if toppers score again 720 marks, the cutoff for different colleges from top to bottom, right, all the government colleges, the cutoff will be same as of 2020, there might be a difference of 1 to 2 marks, right? But if you score this much, which is mentioned over here, definitely you will be getting a seat in one of the medical college in Karnataka. This was the analysis of All India quota, but now talking about the state quota cutoff, then guys, here is the total list of the colleges and here is the category mentioned over here. This was the rank which was last allotted in this college, and the marks required in NEET 2020 is mentioned in the last column here in NEET marks, right? Here the different category SCR, SCK, SCG, STK, STR, these all category belongs to the Karnataka state, right? For general merit it was 540, for 3AG it was 540, and the allotted college was, for general merit it was ESI Medical College Gulbarga, and for 3AG category it was Koppal Institute of Medical Science, right? For other categories 3BR, 3AR and 2AG, 2BG, the allotted college name is mentioned over here and the minimum marks required is mentioned here in this column, right? In the NEET marks column, you can easily find it out from here, right? This is the analysis of general leisure and the data based on the second round cutoff that has been declared by Karnataka state in the counseling authority website. Please note that Karnataka Hyderabad region cutoff is not mentioned in this Excel. We are separately uploading that PDF in the description of the video so that you can have an idea for the different category cutoff for Karnataka Hyderabad region. If you have any question, if you want to ask anything to us, you can directly ask us on the comment section of this video, or you can WhatsApp us your query on the number which is being shown in the screen right now. In next video we will discuss about the private colleges cutoff for Karnataka state, for Karnataka state students as well as for the students who do not belongs to Karnataka and they want to get admission in private colleges of Karnataka. In next video we will discuss about the private colleges. Stay tuned with Medcoving. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, please do share this content with your friends, as well as please do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2021. Thank you for watching Medcoving. Thanks a lot.